gathered here demanding the capital punishment of the Rajakars.
And do you think the protest will continue?
Yes, definitely. As this is the national issue, I think this protest will continue throughout the country, and the government will realize our demand.
Thank you. Obviously, for our viewers, it's very difficult to give you. You obviously will have difficulties hearing me, but I just want to paint a picture for you of what's happening here. All around, there are thousands of people clapping, singing, singing patriotic songs, and this protest, based on what people are telling me on the ground here and what I'm hearing, is set to continue. Robin, I just want to come to that question with you about where things go from here. What happens next with this protest?
Next, they say to us, just who is a protester, they wanted to take this few days. Just few days means until that days, whenever the war criminals, all of our criminals hang over until death. And they wanted to International Crime Tribunal give their order just like death sentence, not until full of life jail. Just they wanted to death sentence from the tribunal, and they wanted to amendment. Another point is that amendment on a tribunal law. Just there's the main topics and the continuous process. And they say to us, this is continue. They can give a ultimatum on a few days, and they just wait on 14th February. International Crime Tribunal gave an order to another Jamaat leader, which is the appointed war criminals, Delwar Hussain Saidi. In that day, they just surround on the tribunal, and by the order of that tribunal's order, it is happening. It just depends on that order. And after that, they wanted to continue their protest, their involvement, their position, their audience, just only for just until all of the appointed war criminals' death sentence.
Do you think, therefore, that there's a risk or a possibility, I should say, that the center of this protest could move to the tribunal itself?
Yeah, but this is the one concept that it was surrounding just not only on capital, it was now on all of the whole of the country. 1,47,570 square kilometers. Just all of the it was surrounding. It was going to rural area, and it was going to mass people. Just so no one have any kinds of power to stop the protest, because people take this. No political leader. People are involved with this. People take this very clearly, with very intentionally. So they want. I think it will be continue going up.
Saifuddin Robin, our correspondent, thank you very much. I know you're going to continue monitoring events for us. We are coming up to dusk here in Dhaka. The protest is continuing. In previous nights, the protests have continued overnight. It looks set to stay that way this evening as well. The people here, they show no signs of stopping. They're continuing their protest, and they say they will continue their protest until that death sentence is imposed. And as Robin said, they're planning a demonstration at the tribunal itself on February the 14th. That's it from us for the moment. From me, Scott Craig, and the rest of the team. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.